Hello everyone to Litex Tech Support channel. My name is David and today I want to show you how to link your Instagram profile to your Facebook page. There are some benefits like you can post once on Instagram and it will be automatically posted on Facebook. Either you can download the Meta app from Meta. I'll open the App Store, either the Play Store if you have an Android, and this is the app that will help you to control and personalize the post even furthermore from both of them at the same time anyway. But to link your Instagram page to your Facebook page, you will have to turn your Instagram account into a professional account. So let's get it started. I will hit on the profile icon from the bottom right corner, and as you can see, I do not see a dashboard on my Instagram account. It means that my account is a personal one, not a professional account. So let's turn it into a professional account. I will hit the three lines from the top right corner. Now settings and privacy, and let's scroll all the way down until I will see account type. Should be okay, account type and tools, and switch to a professional account. Yes, continue. Yes, okay, and continue. Yeah, I don't want to display on my profile that I'm a video creator, photographer, or a restaurant. You can choose to display that. I don't want that. I will hit just done. You can personalize the settings as you want. If you are a business or a creator, in my situation, let's go with the creator. I don't want to receive emails. Deselect that. Next, sharing login using account center. Yeah, sure, that I like this one. Why not? Yeah, I don't want that right now. I'll press on not now, and yeah, these are the steps that you have to take furthermore. But my account is already turned into a business account, professional one, without finishing these 5 steps. I finished just 2 of them. But right now, as your account has turned into a business account, you can link that to a Facebook page. Let's hit on edit profile, and now you can see even more settings as you turn this into a business account. And down here on profile information, we can see page, connect or create. Let's see that. Connect or create a Facebook page. Yes, sure. Continue. Share logins using account center. Yes. Press on continue. These are my accounts, my Instagram account and my Facebook account. Yes, let's continue. Yes, my information. Finish adding. Not right now. I just want to finish that, and I will have to access my Facebook account. What is that? Why have I received that error? So yes, this is the account. Yes, continue. Keep that information of the birthday date. Finish adding your account. Okay, let's press on yes, finish adding the account. Maybe that was the problem because I selected not now. Last time it worked when we choose that setting, when we turn the account into a business one. And this is the page that I have created on my Facebook account. I can see that right here. I can select it. If you have created more than one page, you should see all the pages right here, and you can select which one you want to add on or which one you don't want to add. Mine is selected. I will press on done, and I think this is the last step in order to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. We'll see immediately. It shouldn't take that long. Usually you'll have to wait just like 10-15 maximum 20 seconds. Okay, and it's done. I can see the page right now. My page is named RRR, 3 R's, and I can see that right here on page. Let's press on done because I want to double check that if the page is connected. So again, on my profile, I can see the professional dashboard. It means that I'm a business account. Press on edit profile, and right here under profile information at page, I can see RRR, which is my page, and I can disconnect it or change or create the page. But if you want to manage that even furthermore, I'll recommend you to get the Meta app from Play Store, either Google Play Store. But that being said, the Facebook page is connected to my Instagram account. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. Please feel free to leave any questions down below in the comments section, and please have a great day.